In this video, I'm going to show you how to move cards around in a box and start structuring things a little bit. So I'm going to start with my Spotted on TikTok box here, which is quite messy and random as I use it to throw in videos and trends I've spotted in Buzz, as well as my own For You page, so I can come back to them later. It's often quite nice to have a messy box full of stuff and all sorts of different things that leap out and inspire you at different times and in different ways. But there'll come a point where you want to sort things into themes and topics to explore in a more structured way, especially before you share them with others. Here are some quick tips that you might find useful. So in this box there's a load of cards which show this Finn Wolfhard from Stranger Things trend where he's clicking his fingers, and lots of brands have jumped onto it, so I'm going to start to move these around a little bit because I'd like them all to be at the top of the screen. So to do that, I just need to hover over the card and press the tick in the top right corner, and I'll just start to select them now by clicking on them. And I'll just speed this footage up slightly so you're not watching me click for too long. Once I've selected all the ones that I want to move, I can pick them all up by dragging one of the selected cards and moving my mouse up towards the top of the screen, which will allow me to drop them somewhere up at the top here. So let's do that now, right here. And there they all are. You'll see that there's a couple of options to add colour or stickers to cards, and you might want to use a sticker to indicate shared themes. As you might have seen in the Buzz box, if I just scroll down a bit here, you can see that there's some knives and forks here, and some ears to indicate a sound, and music with these ones. And it just sort of helps show that they all belong to the same trend. So let's do that now with these Finn Wolfhard cards. So let's choose the sticker icon. And then in the menu that comes up, we just need to choose a sticker. So I'll choose this one because it looks a little bit like finger clicking. And all I need to do then is just click on the cards that I want to add the sticker to. So let's just quickly go through and do that now. And there we go. When you want to add more structure to a box, you have the option to put cards into stacks. So let's do that with these cards that were just moved. There are a couple of ways to do it, but for this I'll just press the plus in the bottom right corner and choose New Stack at the bottom of the list. And then we'll call it Finn Wolfhard Snapping. We'll press Create. And there's my stack. And then to put these cards into the stack, I just need to press the check and start to select them all again. And once I've got them all selected, I can just drag them onto the stack just like this. And off they go. So now let's click on the stack to see the cards inside there. And there they all are. Alternatively, you might want to move your selected cards to a new box. So to do that, we'll select them all and we'll press Move at the top. And in the menu that comes up, we can create a new box. So we just need to select all boxes, which is where we want to create our new box. Press the new box icon and we'll call it Finn Wolfhard Snapping and press Create. And then choose Move. And they've all moved now to a new box. So let's press the home icon to go and see that now. And then we can decide from there if we want to keep the box for our own personal use or invite others in your Shooglebox team workspace to collaborate on the box with you as editors or joint owners. And I'll explain how to do that in another video. And just before we finish, I'd like to make this box stand out a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is press the three dots in the bottom corner of the box, choose Edit Cover, and then go and pick an image by pressing Add Image, and go and grab this one here. Press open and then just press save at the top, and there it is. So that's it for now. If you'd like to see more tips on how to get the most out of Shooglebox, you can head to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.